Do you feel the vibes?
What up, what up, what up, YouTube? This your boy, y'all know what time it is. Doing that afternoon vlog. Sitting outside, chilling, like always. Look like somebody burning something. Kind of foggy out here. Kind of foggy. Anyhow, hope you guys having a good Sunday. Yeah, a good Sunday. You guys know the time went up 1 hour, so hopefully you guys set your clock up a little ahead of time, because it is an hour ahead. You know what I mean? Doing a little bit of work at the house. As always, videos always. My car is dirty again, and I just washed it yesterday, and my car just sitting in the yard. Anyhow, y'all see what we got. I got that coffee again. Gotta keep an eye on my coffee, because I know one time at my mother-in-law's house, helping them do some work, fixed me a cup of coffee, and set my cup of coffee on the counter in a waltz. No, a bee. A bee went in my cup, and I didn't see it, and I drunk it, and that joker stung me in the inside of my mouth. I'm talking about, I had a mess. I had to get them to go in my mouth to get the stinger out, because the stinger was stuck on the side of my jaw, inside my mouth, because he stuck the fool out of me. And that was the most craziest time ever. The craziest time. That was crazy. That day was so crazy. My mouth was so swole up inside. Luckily, I didn't have to go to the emergency room, which I should have went, but I didn't. But it messed up my mouth. Yo. So now I just kind of keep an eye on my cup, put it where I can see it. I don't just set it down and walk away from it, because that's what I did. I set it down and walked away from it. Bad idea. Bad idea. You hear me? Yep. So, anyhow, what a day. I slept late because I was up last night playing the game, trying to get my mic to work, and I didn't get it done. And then when I did realize it was 4 o'clock in the morning, I was like, ooh, shoot. And then I went to bed. I woke up this morning, it was after 11. My wife didn't even wake me up. She let me sleep. Yep, the missus didn't even wake me up. So, I was up. When I got up, the first thing came to my mind was going back into that game room and try to get that doggone mic to work. And guess what? I got it to work now. I got it to work now. So now it works. Took me forever, because every little link that I tried to go to that everybody was showing me and talking about on on YouTube, it didn't work. None of the stuff that they was telling me to do worked. Nothing. So I had to sit down and use the old brain. Figure it out for myself. So now my mic works. I'm glad. So now I can do different things that I wanted to. I can do them now. I just got to get the video part to work clearer. I'm having that little issue, but it's not bad where I can still record, so it ain't bad. So I'm just gonna find another way of recording. I put in a program. I am with Power Director. That's what I use to edit my videos, and I just got a new one in my computer, my laptop. So I was trying to get it to work, but I haven't like really messed with it. I'm having a problem of getting the video from the video to the program. But I'll work it out. I just haven't did it yet. I'll probably get on it today, cause I do got some videos. Yeah, I'm still letting this grow. Still letting that grow. Yep. Gotta get a haircut. Got a volleyball. Get a volleyball. I'll probably do that later on today. Alright, whoever got that stimulus check, give your boy some. Pass over a couple of ducks to me. I need a couple of them ducks. Please give me some of them ducks. Anyhow, still looking around for people who need some stuff. So if anybody need anything, you guys holler at me. I'm still trying to get programs and stuff set up on my profiles and links and all that stuff. I'm still trying to get all that stuff together. It's slow because you ain't got nobody who can come and just say, well, hey, look, this is how you do it. Nobody want to do that. They want to go, I don't know how and stuff like that, or it's a lot of people that just, they think you want something from them. You know what I'm saying? They think they want something from you when you just need a little. I don't want nothing from nobody. I don't want no money. All I want you to do is just help me figure out some stuff. That's all. I ain't looking for that. I got all my blessings coming because I'm not afraid to share and to help anybody that I can help. So, you don't want to help me? There is somebody, I just can't find them, but there's somebody who can say, let me go and show this man what to do. But it's all good. It's all good. I was supposed to put an ending on my video from yesterday, but I didn't. So I need to put that video up, and then this video will go up. I'm like a video behind. I try to do videos ahead. I try. So I put this video up tomorrow, and then I'll put a video up for Monday will go up. So actually, like I say, I'm a day behind. It is what it is, you know. It is what it is. Yep. It is what it is. Machine. tripping lately. Got a headache. I think I slept too late. I slept too late. My body is used to getting up early in the morning. I didn't do that. I slept late. Sorry, my mind went away. It flew away like the cuckoo. Anyhow, I don't know. I just wanted to talk. I have no one else to talk to. The wife, he stepped out. So, I ain't nobody to talk to. So I talked to y'all. And drink my coffee on the porch. My joints hurt so bad. My arm, my shoulder. It hurts so bad. It hurts. I'm telling you, it hurts. It hurts. Something wrong with the machine. Hold on, y'all. Something wrong with my machine here. It's making some kind of noise. It don't sound good. Can't have this to break down on me. Pull me, I'll be out of breath. Pour some water on me. I don't know what's wrong. Let's see, got enough battery in. My battery fine. The cord, it ain't tangled up. I don't know. It stopped. The noise. Anyhow, that's my video for today. I just want to talk to somebody. I just wanted to talk to somebody. I guess I'ma go. You know. But y'all remember? Like, share, and subscribe. And comment. That's always good. Check out the rest of my channels. And my other social media links. I'm going to try to get her done right. I was going to try. But anyhow, it was my video for today. On a Sunday. By myself. Y'all see me on the vlog. Y'all see me on the vlog. And I'm out. Hey.